What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Today, unboxing for our September company, Turnbull Tonics and Year of the Beard. So what are we going to use to get into this box? We're going to use our Swiss Army Tinker to get into this. So let's find our little blade here. Check out this box. It is packed. I can tell you, it is solid. So let's get into this. Bear with me. If you have not seen my post on Instagram, I am in recovery from COVID. So I'm going to try to do this in one take without coughing. And I may be talking a little lower than normal. So just bear with me and show me a little patience here, please. So let's get this put up, and we'll keep it close in case we need it. All right, so there is our box. Now I'm not sure what all we have in here, but we're gonna just get into it and see what we got. So let's see here. All right, so we've got a bunch of bubble wrap. So we're just gonna open stuff. So we got stuff Ziploc bags so it doesn't leak. That's always a nice touch. So let's get this out here. We have a card. Thanks. Make your beard feel good. Hey Doug, thanks so much for having me as one of your features this year. Happy birthday month also. Yes, my birthday is this month. I hope you enjoy the selection and the all natural balm and butter go with about everything. Please let me know if you have any questions. Cheers and beard on Brad T. So there's that. We got our card. We got some stickers here. Check those out. Oh, and some business cards. Let's get those to the side. Now, let's get into this. So I always request a tracking number because it is so hot here where I live. And he sent me a tracking number, and it actually showed up. The package showed up like 2 days early, so I was worried stuff melted. So I took it inside and threw it in the fridge for just a little while. So hopefully I salvaged everything. But anyway, all right. So we've got everything unwrapped. So let's just start here. So we've got a beard oil. Let's see. Euphoria Grove. Okay, so no scent profile on that. So we've got a cool bottle. Check out that color. Let's see. Oh, that's different. That smells good. Ingredients: jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, essential and fragrance oils. All right, so what we got here: beard butter, Wookie Cafe. So this is unique bottle style, I can say that. Got a pop top. Oh my God. Oh man, that smells good. And we've got a date of birth on the label written in to say when this product was made. That is really cool. All right, so we've got Euphoria Grove again, matching our oil. I still can't pick up what it is, but it smells good. All natural. It's gonna be our unscented, I believe. I don't smell no scent on that one. All right, so we've got Beard Balm in Euphoria Grove. It may have melted down a little bit. You see those spots, but that's no biggie. I like these little Altoid tins. That's really cool. All natural. See, no additional scents added. I don't smell anything in that. All right, and then, oh, we got a keychain. Turnbull Tonics Beard Care. Pretty cool plastic keychain. All right, and lastly, what do we have here? Turnbull Tonics Beard Care. Oh man, check this out. So we have a sample kit with 2, 4, 5 scents, and we have the scent profiles over here. So let's see. Old Man's Porch. Let's see. It's kind of hard to get a scent on that. What is it? Simple blend of jojoba and castor oils with sandalwood, vanilla, and special cherry pipe tobacco fragrance. Okay. Let's see. Yeti sample bottle. Yeti. Oh, yeah. Yeti. Sandalwood, frankincense, camphor, and spearmint. Ooh, I smell that one. Ooh, that smells good. All right, Candyman. What is that? Candyman. Tangerine, eucalyptus, vanilla, and spearmint. All right, Lucky's. Ooh, that smells good. Let's see, cedarwood, lavender, rosemary, and peppermint. And then lastly, we have Wookie. Yep, Wookie's Cafe. That is coffee shop. So I got like sugar cookie on that one. But what did I got like sugar cookie. I get it now. I get the kind of the coffee shop scent, but I do kind of get like a cookie scent. It smells really, really good. So that's what we have to use this month. So be looking forward to that. This month of September, it's going to be a good month. Like I said, it is my birthday month. And so hopefully we're going to be able to get through this month a little better than August. Because August was a rough month for me and a lot of other people. So stay tuned. We got a lot to cover. So yeah, link will be in the description below for Turnbull Tonics. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.